Hello everyone, this is Fine from Awesome T Gaming Pro. I hope you all are well. Today I'm going to talk about the brand new TV, the TCL C745, which is a feature-packed but affordable gaming TV. The TCL C745 is a smart and capable 4K HD TV that's a superb choice for next-gen gamers on a budget. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for future notifications and upcoming videos. I have another channel named Tech Gaming Villa, where I upload similar kind of tech videos like TV comparison, sound system, home theater. You can check and subscribe. It has comprehensive HDR support, extensive gaming features, and super low input lag. But it's not as bright as claimed, and colors could be more accurate, and sound is perfunctory. The TCL C745 sits towards the top of the brand's 4K HDR lineup, offering most of the benefits associated with a modern smart TV, while also keeping gamers happy by including all the bells and whistles needed to get the most out of the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X. It's also feature-packed and competitively priced, making the C745 a great choice for anyone looking to enjoy big screen movies and immersive gaming without breaking the bank. It has 55, 65 and 75 inch sizes. This one is 65 inch sizes. Its panel type is LCD, refresh at 144 Hz. It has Dolby Vision, HDR10, HDR10 Plus, HLG, IMAX enhanced HDR formats. And its audio enhancement features like Dolby Atmos, DTS, Virtual X. It has two HDMI 2.0B inputs and two HDMI 2.1 inputs. So you will get 120 Hz and 144 Hz on HDMI 2.1 ports. It has terrestrial and satellite tuners. The gaming features, it has Game Master Pro 2.0 AMD FreeSync Premium, LLM, VRR, 4K 144 Hz. It has 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth 4.2, Chromecast AirPlay 2, and it uses Google TV version 11.0 smart platform, but no Freeview Play compatibility. But built-in Google Assistant works with Amazon 144 Hz, along with TCL's Game Master Pro 2.0 and support for AMD FreeSync Premium Pro. A very low input lag rounds out an impressive gaming package. This TCL C745 is attractively priced for what is a higher tier model within the brand's range. You can buy the 55-inch version, €650. The 65-inch, this one model priced €800. And you can buy also 75-inch screen size, retails at very reasonable €1,100. In terms of competition, the most obvious is the 55-inch Hisense E7K, which offers an LCD panel combined with a direct LED backlight and quantum dot colors. It also includes similar gaming features and HDR support, although the E7K is slightly more expensive at €700. Other alternatives include the 55-inch Amazon Fire TV Omni QLED, which has a list price of €750, but was available for just €480, and the 55-inch Samsung Q60C, which will set you back €600. Both offer an impressive level of performance, although neither has the same level of gaming prowess. The TCL C745 offers a simple but attractive design with a bezel-less screen and elegant silver trim around the outer edge. The construction combines metal and plastic into a sleek chassis, and the 55-inch model measures 1225 into 76 into 71 mm without its stand. The stand itself comprises a pair of feet with a plastic cover that uses an eye-catching brushed metal effect. When using the stand, there's 65 mm of clearance below the screen, but if you would rather wall mount, the C745 is compatible with a 400-inch to 300 VESA bracket. The connections face sideways on the right-hand side as you face the screen and are far enough away from the edge to ensure you can't see any cables. There are 4 HDMI inputs, USB 2.0 port, terrestrial and satellite tuners, common interface slot, an optical digital output, an Ethernet port, and an AB adapter, and a headphone jack. There's also dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, Chromecast, and AirPlay 2. In its marketing, TCL claims there are 4 HDMI 2.1 inputs, but this isn't correct, with only 2 HDMI 2.1 plus 2 HDMI 2.0B inputs. While all 4 inputs support 4K 60 Hz, HZ10 HLG, HZ10 Plus, Dolby Vision, HDCP 2.3, and CEC. Only the 2.1 inputs can handle 4K 120 Hz, variable refresh rate, and auto low latency mode. At least TCL has sensibly used one of the 2.0B inputs for ER, Enhanced Audio Return Channel, allowing you to simultaneously connect 2 next-gen gaming consoles and a soundbar. The provided remote is a slim black plastic affair with an emphasis on icons to identify the buttons. The rounded edges make it comfortable to hold and easy to use with one hand. And the layout is intuitive, with direct access buttons for Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, the internet, and a pair of TCL specific apps. The TCL C745 uses Google TV 11.0 version as its operating system, and it delivers a responsive, well-designed, and intuitive interface. By its nature, the smart platform is rather Google-centric, but the full-screen homepage provides recommendations and allows you to customize the layout. The initial setup of the TV is relatively quick and easy, especially if you have already created a Google account. Simply follow the instruction in the Google Home app, and the TV will automatically set up an internet connection and load all of your apps. However, depending on how many of the latter you use, this can take a while. All the main video streaming apps are on offer, including Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, Apple TV+, now YouTube, Google Play, and these supports for resolutions up to 4K, along with HZ10, HZ10 Plus, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, and DTS audio were available. However, there are no UK TV catch-up services built in, possibly due to licensing issues. While this is annoying, TCL does offer a Roku stick for any owners wishing to add BBC iPlayer, iTVX, all 4 and Mi-Fi to their TV. It's not ideal, and hopefully TCL will address this in future, but at least there's a workaround. Naturally, Google Assistant is built in, tuning the C745 into a fully functioning smart assistant with voice control. Plus, there's support for Chromecast and Google Home. In addition, Apple fans can enjoy support for AirPlay 2 and HomeKit Plus. It works with Amazon Alexa. The TV tuner includes access to an electronic program guide that's sensibly laid out and easy to use. One strange quirk is that the TV tuner defaults with the subtitles turned on, so unless you want to use them, you will need to go into the EPZ and turn the subtitles off. So what's your thought? Please write in the comments below. That's it from now.